Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Star, and today I have a simple design that I would like to share with you guys. I am using polish by, I guess I will pronounce it as Rajam. It is a color changing polish, and as you can see here, I am working with this beautiful, gorgeous purple. And once I put it in the lamp, it will brighten up into a brighter purple, as you can see here. So I am giving it a second coat and to give it a nice even polish. So I thank you for joining me today. It's been a minute since I posted a video. I have been pretty busy with life, as life be lifing for most of us. So I'm glad that I'm here and I'm glad that you're joining me. So now I'm going to create my aura in the middle part of my nail, and I think I'm going to do it on the side of the tip of the nail. Um, so that's what I'm going to do. This design is, I would say, it can be beginner friendly, but I'm just one who just don't know when to stop. So it can be a simple design for people who, like myself, who is not an artist. So I just be coming up with things on top of my head, but it can work. So right here I have this gel polish, this matte gel polish that I'm going to put on top of it, and I'm going to seal that in. I do want to send a special shout out to everyone who continues to watch my video from the beginning to the end. And I truly thank you for all your support because it does help my channel grow. And ones who have not yet subscribed to my channel, I appreciate it. If you do take the time and subscribe, if you do find some of my videos a little interesting, as I continue to grow my channel, I want to be able to bring my content to you more frequently, and I continue to get inspiration from others. And so I thank the others also for being an inspiration for me to trying to gain some of this creativity. So I thank them also. So again, appreciate all for continuing to support me. So in the meantime, between time, I'm gonna give you some funky beats that you can just bounce your head to. Now here we go. Boom, 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 boom. Yes, child. Yes. You see, I have my people just jamming at the after party. I was just boom, 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 boom. I was working out. Yeah. So, yeah, I am adding some top coat, and I did add me some chrome powder, and it is looking pretty spliffy over here. So far, so good. Um, So let me know what you guys think so far. I would like to start my community and let's have a conversation. Even just stop by and say, hey, girl, hey. And I am giving you guys a shout out too. So I appreciate all the love. Come by and holla at a sister. Now that I am about 70% through with this design, I am going to give you some more music you can jam to. And one, a two, a one, two, three, four.
But you have no town. It's like we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Oh yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Oh yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Oh yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl.
And guys, yeah, before I forget, I would like to mention that I finally became a part of the Temu affiliate program, and I do have my storefront. So I would like you guys to check it out. I will leave the QR code. You can scan it. You can get some amazing deals. You can get items for $0. And you can use my code also to get an extra 30% off. So please go ahead and check it out. I really appreciate all your support. And thank you so much again.
I wonder if God got a plan for everyone. I wonder if I could take a second run. 'Cause I carry on getting sad and getting stuck. What I wouldn't give for a life that doesn't suck. I'm a moving target. I never finish what I've started. I'm a moving target. But if I stop moving, then I'll have to face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. I don't wanna face myself. Whoa, 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 yeah. I'm a moving target. I never finish what I've started. Kinda makes me wish I never started. I'm a moving target. But if I stop moving, then I'll have to face myself.